So hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. In this today's video, I Pranav for your master teacher of Little Dear Sir channel is here with you a very new and interesting topic, that is telling time. So in this today's video, we are going to learn about the telling time. But before starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box to like this video. We are welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir. Okay. So let's get started with this today's topic, that is telling time in this today's video. So but first of all we will learn what is time. Now when anybody asks you what's the time, it's the clock. On the clock you can read the time, but how can you read the time? In this today's video we will learn that. Okay, this is an analog clock. Which type of clock? This is an analog clock. Face, the numbers round the clock face are hours. Means this is an analog clock. Okay, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are the hours in the analog clock. Okay, these all are the hours. By this what can we understand? There are 12 hours in our clock. There are 12 hours marked on the clock. There are 12 hours marked on the clock. Okay, next, the lines around the edge are minutes. So these small lines here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, these are minutes. There are 60 minutes marked on the clock. Means there between this 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So what can we say? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, this is because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. How many? 60 minutes in 1 hour. Yes, we now know. Wait a minute. Yes, we now know that 60 minutes are on the clock. There are 60 minutes on the clock. Okay, this 5, 5, 5. So when we count by the this whole clock, there are 60 minutes, and between there are hands on the clock. Now next we will discuss it, but on the whole clock there are 60 minutes. Between these 5 minutes, between every two numbers there are 5 minutes. Okay, there are 5 minutes between two numbers. Count with me by fives around the clock. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, and 5 twelves are 60. Okay. Next, there are the small hand points to the hours. Here you can see a small hand which points to hours. Now it points to 3, means it is 3 o'clock. The big hand points to the minutes. This big hand points to the minutes. Now it is on the 12, so it is 0. It is completely 3 o'clock. Okay, when this minute hand is on 1, it is 3 o'clock and 5 minutes, because in between this there are 5 minutes. When the big hand is on 2, it is 3 o'clock and 10 minutes. It is when the both hands are here, it is 3 o'clock and 15 minutes. Okay, and when the small hand is on 12 and both the hands are here, so it is 12 o'clock. So here we can see that the small hand denotes the small hand denotes the hours and big hand denotes the minutes. When the big hand points to the 12, the time is 12 o'clock, means 0 it is. When the both the hands point towards the 12. In the afternoon it happens, and in the night it happens. So in the afternoon it is 12 p.m. and in the morning it is 12 a.m. Okay. Yes. If we are to slice the clock into 4 equal sections, we would have 4 quarters. Means it is a circle, and if we have to cut it into 4 parts, the one part will be a quarter. First part, second. This is the quarter. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Each quarter represent a 15-minute section. So here you can see 5, 5, 5, 5. That is 3 times. That is 15. So it is a one section or one quarter. This is the second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter, because it represents 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. When the big hand moves from 12 to 3, it is quarter past the hour. So when the big hand, suppose it is a 4 o'clock, and the big big hand is from here to here, it goes from here to here. So it is 15 minutes or quarter past. While telling the time, we say it quarter past. This is because the big hand has moved quarter of the way around the clock face. Means it has moved first quarter, as we seen in the last slide, that it is a quarter. So yes, it is a quarter, as we seen. So it represents the 15 minutes, and it is called as the quarter past. Okay. Next, when the big hand moves from 12 to 6, it is half past. When the hand moves from 12 to 6, it is a two sections. Okay, when it moves from 12 to 6, it is the half past, because the half of the clock face is completed. So it is the half part, first and second part, so a half becomes, so it is completed. This is because the big hand has moved half of the way around the clock face, so it is called as the half past. Okay. Next, when the big hand moves from 9 to 12, it is called to the quarter to the hour. This is because the big hand only has quarter of clock face to move to get an hour. So now the clock has completed this much part. So only one quarter is remain to complete the clock. So it we call quarter 2, because quarter is remained, and to complete the hour we call this as the quarter 2. Now how many minutes are completed here? Here 15, 15 and 15. 15 plus 15 plus 15, that is 45. So here 45 minutes are completed. Here 45 minutes are completed. Here 30 minutes are completed, and here 15 minutes are completed. Okay. So now only a quarter is remained, so we called it as the quarter 2. Next, it is a digital clock. The hours are to the left of the colon. So here we can see 3 hours and 30 minutes. So it is a colon, which is a punctuation mark. So before the colon there are the hours. Okay. Hours are to the left of the colon. The minutes are the right of the colon. So to the right of the colon there are the minutes. So here we can say 3 hours and 30 minutes. You can see this on cell phone of your on your the upper side, where is the dashboard. Here you can see that it is the digital clock. Okay. Next we have AM and PM. What is AM and PM? Let's see. 12 a.m. is midnight. We are sleeping at this time. When there is a 12 a.m. at the clock, it is the midnight. When 12 p.m. is noon, we eat lunch at this time. 12 p.m. means in the morning we use AM, and in the night, sorry, in the afternoon or night, we use PM. Okay, yes. Next, AM and PM, easy way to remember AM and PM. AM after midnight, AM is after midnight, and PM is past morning. After the morning we are using the PM. Okay, so this is all for the today's video. I hope you like this video, and I hope you understood telling the time. So before the leaving, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box you like this video. Welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir.